This guy is just going crazy with the horn. Maybe his wife didn't give him the breakfast in the morning. So finally I have the key to happiness. The Altroz Racer is here. 120 PS, 170 Newton meters, 1.2 liter turbocharged petrol engine. And let's see what Tata have packed into this. It's built with inputs from Narayan Karthikeyan himself, who is synonymous, the name itself is synonymous with speed. So this is built based on the Alpha architecture. Agile, lightweight, flexible and advanced. So let's see every aspect. Oh, we have Tata Motors, the display coming up nice, and 7-inch kind of full color TFT, and then you have this massive 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Can't wait to unleash this the way we want it. Let's get going. Hydraulic clutch, sportier suspension. Ooh, hoo-hoo. I love the turbo kicking in. Wow. Ah, it has that sporty exhaust. Oh, there you have a BMW. Sportier suspension, holds the ground, feels planted. Aha! The need for speed, baby. I feel the need for speed. Nice, well laid out tarmac. A beautiful morning here in Coimbatore, and we are all set to launch this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Effortless. Triple digit speeds, absolutely effortless. Suspension really sorted. Tractability is really good, and the 170 Newton meters is available from 1750 RPM, so it literally lifts off right off the mark. 0 to 100 comes up in 11 seconds or so, so we're gonna try to better that. The Beamer is still up ahead. Oh, I feel like a racer. I mean, transform the highways into a racing circuit. It's like that Gran Turismo scene where the car transforms into that a PlayStation module, and then it transforms back into the racing circuit. You can feel that engaging driving experience. You can feel the adrenaline. You can feel pure power gushing through your veins. Woo-hoo-hoo. Incredibly awesome. A little more traffic than usual. I was hoping that early morning it will be completely empty, but it's not the case. But it highlights the handling characteristics of this amazing sporty and safest hatch. 5-star safety rating, Global NCAP. This is fun, man. Really, they've fine-tuned the engine really well. NVH levels are well sorted. And again, the balance between making sure the engine noise is not filtering through. At the same time, they give that sporty exhaust note to satisfy your inner soul, craving for speed, craving for sportiness. That's not easy. I mean, working out that balance and getting it spot on. Okay, we have a Swift ahead of us. Steering really gives you a lot of confidence. That sweet sound of turbo. I love it. I want more. The old generation Swift is gone. The new one is up ahead. Okay, so we have a toll here. Let's turn around. And let's see whether we can better our own selves. Suspension, boy, the ride quality has improved, and the planted feel. And there you have 360-degree camera doing its job judiciously. I mean, the resolution, so crisp, so vivid. It's absolutely incredible. Okay, off we go. I feel like Mad Max. I feel like Mad Max. Man, this feeling is pure joy. Absolutely epic. Oh ho ho, here we come. And what a weather, man. Fine weather here in Coimbatore. The road is not the smoothest, but still the suspension is taking it up beautifully. The braking, I would have preferred all 4-disc brakes, because this thing is a monster. It's a freaking little monster. Gotta be on your toes all the time. The gearing is precise. Ah, that satisfying sound. So soothing to hear. Oh my God. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. And now let's talk about the comfort and every other thing. So we've been enjoying the speed and agility and the driving dynamics that the Racer stands up for. Yes, it packs the engaging driving experience, the intensity, the rush, everything that you come expecting from a sporty hatch. And it's built like a tank. And the steering calibration, whatever they have done to modulate it to feel more sporty, feel more confidence inspiring, that has helped actually, because feels far more reassuring now. The damping as well, so it's not too soft, at the same time not too rigid to break your back. It's just about that sweet spot where you can just glide over the undulations. This guy is just going crazy with the horn. Maybe his wife didn't give him the breakfast in the morning. Just slamming on the horn as if his life depended on it. But anyway, coming back to the car, so I would have preferred the display fonts to be racing fonts. This is a little plain Jane. Maybe it's okay for the regular Altros, but not for the Racer. Racer deserves the racing font. So that's what my feedback is and my feeling is, because everything else is so spot on. You want that experience to latch onto your senses. The moment you sit and turn on the ignition, the way the fonts come up for the BMW M Sport, the M Sport has a different layout when compared to the standard BMW series of cars. So we need to have, even the AMG has a different layout. So what we need here is that a theme to flow through the car, such that it gets onto your veins and sinews. So that is something you need to understand. But apart from that, the sounding is great from Harman. You have 8 speakers all around, 4 speakers and 4 tweeters. The seating is comfortable. The chassis is absolutely brilliant. And overall, I feel this is an absolute delight for all you racing enthusiasts or performance mongers out there who crave for every bit of performance. Oh, we have a Punto. A bit of patches here. The sound is to die for. Incredibly awesome. So we have an intersection here. Again, the 360-degree camera does its job magically. Such a clear, crystal clear view. So we're gonna sum things up now. I've had my good time, gala time with this. So for now, we'll just stop by and sum things up. The Altros Racer is everything you want it to be as a performance hatch. And the thing is, the base variant, the R1, you have R1, R2, R3. I don't know how Yamaha is keeping quiet, because yeah, that's the name of the variants. So R1 gets almost everything that you hope for, and 6 airbags are included as standard right from the base variant. So that's a good thing. Safety has always been underscored by Tata, and care for their passengers. And of course, okay, she started listening. Now let's try and do some.
Say a command.
Khulja sim sim.
Okay, sunroof खोल रहे हैं.
Sunroof बंद करो. Sunroof बंद करो.
Okay, sunroof बंद कर रहे हैं.
The highlights of this Altros Racer has to be the steering and the suspension. I mean, these two have been fine-tuned to the max to give you that proper sporty track-focused vehicle experience. So that's pretty much it. I feel it is worth every penny, and it is priced lower than the N9. So I think this makes more sense if you have that heart or yearning to own a proper sporty hatch. So I think this sums it up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.